Hi guys, 7 trades. Today I took 2 trades which were both losses. I got cooked up. This first one was in the London session, so I was looking for a retracement after a huge expansion to the downside after price reached the weekly open on Euro USD whilst failing to reach it on the GBP USD. So here on the paper trading account, I was setting up the trade uh, on a demo account, of course, but I kind of got a little bit of FOMO because as soon as the price touched the changing state of delivery area, I immediately entered instead of just waiting for a full candle body close, which is my usual protocol. So I got inside of the prop challenge account to set up the trade, but little did I know that price didn't actually close as I anticipated. So this was a reversal trade, looking for just like a one-on-one RR, and since it was in the London session, I wasn't anticipating using my full volume of risk because I usually risk 1%. Here I was just risking almost 0.25%. So as the trade played out, it didn't go that far before stopping me out, because as you can see there was no change in state of delivery. Price just wicked through it and just flipped bearish, and as you can see I got stopped out about 6 minutes. So I was kind of frustrated because this pro farm challenge account, the match trader doesn't allow a person to have a 3-minute chart where I can see it actually how the open, low, high, close candles are behaving on the 3 minutes. So I was kind of frustrated, but yeah, I didn't have to get full loss after I recognized that price didn't close. So right here on the New York session trade, it was a continuation short because I've seen that price went to and through the weekly open, so I was expecting continuation to the downside. So instead of risking less so that if this was a loss I wouldn't incur too much loss, I entered 1% regardless of the fact that I did get a $20 loss. So I let the trade play out. I was kind of, yeah, the entry was good, everything actually was perfect up until the trade started retracing. So as you can see, price, the real move, actually I kind of liked this trade because it was a continuation. Price hadn't yet reached the equilibrium of the range and the bullish fair value gaps were being inversed. So as well as the price range from the stop loss was kind of enough for me to believe that the high was already in. So as you can see, it was just a stop loss of 11 pips. After recognizing that, I was kind of confident that the price could actually just continue expand to the sell side. But what I didn't notice was that I entered a little bit too late in the expansion candle. I should have just waited for a new candle to close open so that I can wait for it to form a high side of that bearish red Beverly gap so that I can continue to look for low prices. Instead, this hour actually closed bullish. I entered in the candle 2. As you can see, I got stopped out almost immediately before this hour closed. As you can see, it was pre 9:30 and I was kind of frustrated, but I hadn't had this much loss on a day since the start of 2025. And that's it, guys. Thank you for sticking around.